Do you know that you can start affiliate marketing in few minutes and you start making money within 7 days, right? So on my screen right now, you see this is my dashboard, right? On my screen, if you can see it very well, the amount that is there, I've made a total of 900,000 on this particular platform. Though this is the other affiliate account that I am using, right? So if you are someone that are interested in learning this affiliate marketing very well, just give me 2 to 3 minutes to show you the tools that you are going to use and how you can start this affiliate marketing. First thing right here in affiliate marketing, all what you need to do, all what you need is the tools like your smartphone, your data connections, and little cash. With that, everything is okay. Okay, you need some skills that will make you be successful in this affiliate marketing and start and make you money within the 7 days. Right. So the first skills is graphic design. You need to learn graphic design. The second skill is video editing, how to edit simple videos so that your page will be grow. And the third skill is how to run an advert, right? And the first skill here is content creation. For you to become a content creation, your affiliate marketing journey will be easy for you to get started with. So I want to explain this to you in just 2 minutes on how I start affiliate marketing and start making money. To me, I don't do organic traffic to start making money. I start with paid traffic, which is Facebook advert, to start making money as an affiliate online. But when I started in within 1 month and I make money, I divert into the organic traffic. And in organic traffic, I make up to like 1 million naira with organic traffic without spending a dime online. But you know the thing that when I stop, I didn't make money for like 2 months again, right? I have to go back to the paid ad to continue my journey because as I'm stuck about the organic traffic, like I didn't see leads again like before, and I don't make money until I go back to the paid ads on TikTok, right? If you are someone that wanted to start affiliate marketing today, I will advise you to go on TikTok as your page to generate leads if you are a newbie, right? So what I simply do to start making money as an affiliate is that I have the right mindset that I'm going to make it in this business, right? If your mindset is that you just want to start and all those stuff, right? So you might not make anything, but what you need to understand right here is that when you get started with affiliate marketing, everything has to do with your mindset. If you have the mindset that okay, well, I'm going to be successful in this business, you are going to successful, but it will take you time. If you are someone that say, okay, I'm going to successful in this business within 30 days, I know that we put in the work and start making money. Starting affiliate marketing might be hard when you get started, but once you have started doing it, it will be easy for you. So if you are someone that wanted to start affiliate marketing today, go and start with what you have. If it's your only smartphone, even if it's Android phone, you can start with it and you upgrade later to the smartphone that will be easy for you to do the work, right? The more money you make, the more tools that you'll be getting. So if you are someone that waiting to have a lot of money to start this business, you are just wasting your time because there are some people that say I will start last year, I will start the last of year, and they haven't started till now because of what they don't get the money to start, right? Even if it's just common 100 MB that you are doing, manage it to become someone that can do a lot of data on your phone, right? So start with what you have. Don't complain. Leave the excuse and start with everything. Even if you are to pay someone to learn this affiliate marketing very well, try and get money to pay for it. But if you are someone that are fast learning, YouTube is there. Come and learn on YouTube. There's a lot of people that do a free tutorial on how to start. And if you are someone that doesn't have money to join a particular platform to start learning, StakeCut is there. Go and search on your browser, stakecut.com. It will show you. Just register. They have free tutorial for you on affiliate marketing. But if you need a mentor, right? If you need a one-on-one mentor on how I start my affiliate marketing journey and everything, you can come to my DM, right? So that we can talk better. But in this channel right here, I have a free training on affiliate marketing that is going on, right? Which I'm dropping time to time. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn off the notification bell and go to this comment section of this video and ask your question about affiliate marketing and I will give you the answers to it in my next video, right? So that's a promise for you. So don't forget to share this video with others that will be benefit from this and so that you can start the affiliate journey too. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.